The question says write the IUPAC name of the following complex. Okay, to name the complex we follow the order. We have ligand, then we write a central metal atom, then we write oxidation number of the central metal atom in the Roman numbers. Okay. Before naming the complex, always identify if the central metal atom is present in the cationic complex or in the anionic complex. Okay, we have the complex platinum is there. This is a unidentate neutral ligand. Then we have Cl2 unidentate negative ligand, and this is what Cl2 is there, and this is the counter ion is there. Okay, from the counter ion we can break it. So first one is positive, second one is negative. So you can see central metal atom is present in the cationic complex. We use the common name. In case if it is present in the anionic complex, we use its special name. You can see platinum is there, so it will become platinate. Okay. Anyway, here we are going to use platinum because it is present in the cationic complex. Okay. Next, we calculate oxidation number of the central metal atom. We need oxidation numbers. Okay. Let's calculate platinum. We have platinum plus ammonia molecule is a neutral ligand. So 4 multiplied by 0 plus chloride ion is there. Each chloride ion is what? Having minus 2 charge. Here also minus 2 charge. So we have 2 multiplied by minus 1 charge. Minus 1 is there plus, and what we have? Cl is what? There are 2 counter ions are there. Cl is what? Minus 1. H equal to 0 is there. Then we have platinum, then it is minus 2 is equal to 0. Then platinum is present in plus 4 oxidation numbers. Platinum is present in plus 4 oxidation numbers. Okay. Now let's name it. First we have ligand. If more than one types of ligands are given there, we arrange them in alphabetical orders. Okay. We arrange them in alphabetical orders. So this is what amine is starting from A. This is chlorido is starting from C. So first we name ammonia. And how many ammonia molecules are there? Fourth, we use a prefix that is tetra. Tetra amine. Keep in mind when you write amine, double M should be there. Double M, single M you cannot use. Okay, tetra amine. Next, 2 are there. 2Cl are there. Dichlorido. We have dichlorido. Chlorido is there. Okay, very good. Next we have central metal atom, platinum, common name. We have platinum. Platinum is there, platinum. Okay. And then we have oxidation number. Oxidation number already calculated, right in the Roman numbers, 4. And after that we have counter ion. For this we should write chloride or we should use dichloride. No, you should ignore these numbers. Okay, when we write the name of the chloride, no counter ion, we ignore the numbers. We should not write dichloride. We write only the name. That is what chloride is there. Chloride. For example, let's say if I mention AlCl3 is there, we cannot say ammonium trichloride. We say ammonium chloride. 3 is coming because we balance the charge. Ammonium is what? Plus 3 and Cl is what? Minus 1. We balance the charge, then it is coming 3. Similarly, here also we balance the charge of this complex as well as this anion. Then we are getting 2. You should not write dichloride. Only chloride is correct. So name is what? Tetraamine dichlorido platinum 4 chloride. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to the channel.